couple of weeks, then we go to the cancer center and they do the curettage thing. Actually, I think she's a nurse, um, and she does the curettage. We're just kind of roughing up the area inside of my wound, inside of my boo-boo. And so my wife is recording. Um, I I had to transfer onto a different type of table than what she normally has. She normally has a different chair, it's almost a chair that has a hydraulic system on it, so that it can be converted. It can slowly convert into, or transform into a bed almost, a lounger. But this over at this rooms, then she just had they just had the table to transfer onto, and it wasn't high or anything like that, so it was about the same height as my wheelchair, so it wasn't very difficult to transfer onto. Um, and I just felt like it was such a nice day. I needed to get some video of the outside, and so I thought that it would be nice to get a little bit of video of the sunset. There was some really nice purples in there, purples and pinks. So anyway, after we got done with the curettage stuff, and she used a little ice cream scoop type of thing to rough up the area inside of the wound. Then I pulled myself up. I sat up. The way that I can sit up is by grabbing onto the sides of the bed and pulling myself up that way. I don't have very great ab muscles, so I don't have the ability to sit up on my own, and my legs are pretty light, so I think that if I did try to sit up on my own, then it would actually cause my legs to go up instead of my upper body, instead of my torso. And there's a little girl right there. She was checking out the sunset also, and making sure that there was nobody scary out there. That she was protecting me. So that was kind of a nice little thing that she was doing. And there's another view of the sunset. I like it best whenever we don't have whenever there aren't a lot of telephone lines all over the place, because there's more of a clear view of the sunset, and it's nice whenever the lights hit the clouds and can give off some different colors. It's kind of pretty. So there was a girl, that same girl, but she was hiding underneath the bed, and nobody could see her. I don't think that's true.